Hey, we're out here at Indian Wells. This is the Indian Wells Tennis Garden, and it's a pleasure to be here at Dr. George's charity car show. There are more than 1,000 cars here today, but we happen to bring Glenn Woolsey's E-Type Jaguar that we built a few years ago. I've never done a walk around with anybody, but we're going to start here at the front. I'm going to explain to you all the different things we've done to this car. Starting from the very front, we hand built the grille. We opened this mouth up a little bit. We built the return into it. We used a 120 style badge. We handmade the bumper. We handmade the headlight rings using the glass from a Series 1. We made the front fenders, the rear fenders. We handmade the scoop underneath the car because originally that's just a single sheet of deep metal that is broken and then bolted up to it. I flipped the louvers on the hood. Normally they stick up. What I did is I cut both of them out, we flipped them over, and then we curved them to fit the hood itself. Same shape of a windshield, but we laid it back, handmade it out of glass, made all the moldings around here. Originally there's a flat door piece that comes up here. We cut that down to just use the body shape itself, fold it around. And then we had Luke DeLay from Marcel's Custom Metal built the one-off fenders in the rear. They're an inch taller than original, and they're 2 inches wider than original. We handmade the moldings on the side. We also stretched the deck lid. The deck lid is much shorter originally, but it looked funny because the top is normally further back here, and when you pulled that forward, this looked really short, so we lengthened that. We handmade the taillight. This insert is mimicking the Series 1, but it's all handmade. It doesn't have the molding around it. It's softer, so it has the same shape and feel up the grille itself. The license plate is recessed in, and then we curved it to go with that belly pan underneath. Inside, go ahead and open the door. We completely rebuilt the whole dash and the center console going through. But let's go ahead and I'm gonna open the hood. It no longer has the V12 Jaguar engine in it. This is actually an LS3, but we hand built the cover over top of it. And built these covers to cover up the frame itself. And moved the suspension. It's the original suspension, but we dropped it in 4 inches in the front so we could get those knockoffs inside, and we moved the rear 6 inches narrower than stock. And then Mike Curtis from Curtis Speed We designed the wheels, he cut them. One-off wheels on the car. Everything on this car has been modified, and it's a pleasure to bring it here to the Dr. George Car Show. What's cool is right behind me is a Jaguar. That is exactly what we started with on Glenn's Jaguar, right here.
Take me 10,000 miles. I'm gonna fly like the wind. Take me 10,000 miles. I'm going right on up. Leave this old world behind. Clouds be my pillow. Blue sky be my bed. Clouds be my pillow, blue sky be my bed. There's gonna be a hurricane, nothing left to worry my head. Can't you hear me? Can't you